All right, let's go. Time, wake up. Hurry up. Stop talking. Let's get it. Work, work, work. Start off quick. You're too far back. Move your head on the way in. Let's go. Let me see what you got, Naja. Time. Hurry up. Time in. Let's go. No more talking. Let's go. Gotta let your hands go. Stop being so tense. Get loose. Let's go. In and out. Hands are low. Bring your hands up higher. Double up on the jab. Stop backing up so much. You can't hit them backing up. You got to move forward or circle. Come on. Don't look away. Step in. You can't punch him backing up. Taking too long. You're backing up. So far, you're never going to hit him. Unless you got some reach I don't know about. You're not going to make no kind of contact. Let's get it. You're backing up too much. Circle him to your right. Circle to your right.
Yeah, keep your feet on the
ground. Double up on the jab. Keep your hands up, Luke. Work on some slipping and countering. Something new. Nice. There you go. Let's get it. Come on. Let your hands go. There you go. Oh, it takes to get hit to wake up. Come on. 30 seconds. Now you got to get hit to wake up. I like that. Let's go. Hurry up. One jab ain't it. You got to double up. Double up. Pop. Double up. Watch your back of the head. All right, you're good. Come on. Hurry up. Run out of time. See, now you staying in there. Come on, let your hands go. There you go. Body. Exactly. Time.